Today we are going to plant fenugreek or methi seeds. And do you know how to plant fenugreek or methi seeds in water and that too without soil? Let's do it now. Now we have to take 2 tablespoons of fenugreek seeds. Now let me wash them. I'll take some water. My water fell down. It's okay. Now I'll wash them like this. See, it came down. First it was. Now I'll put the water. Like this. Now these seeds we have to throw as it came up. So we know that these seeds are dead. Now we'll pour some water again. And we'll keep it a full night. So I'll just close it with the lid. See you next morning. Day 2. I'm back. Now we'll open the cover. See. Now I'll drain the water. Like this. I'll press them so the water comes out. Little bit press, otherwise it will not happen. Now I'll put them in the plate. Like this. I'll spread them. And can you see? They are already sprouted. So nice. I'll spread them nicely. Now I will soak my handkerchief in the water like this. Let me do it fully wet, then I'll soak. Now I'll put it on them. I'll open it. I'll spread it like this. See you tomorrow. We'll see what happens with it tomorrow. Bye. Day 3. Bruce, do you remember we had kept our fenugreek seeds inside this? And I also sprayed 4 to 5 times until now. Now we'll open and see. Hey. Wow. Keep it over here. See, our fenugreek seeds are looking nice. Now, I'll take one tissue paper. And do you know, this is a strainer. I've kept a steel plate so the excess water comes down. Now, I'll open the tissue paper 1 minute. I'll fold it from one side and then put this over here. Now we'll put our fenugreek seeds inside this. like this. It is sticky, but it will become nice. Yes, Bruce? Yay! I'll put everything. And when you put everything in this, you have to spread them. First, let me put everything in this. It sticks to the plate and a plate is very sticky. Now we'll spread them. Like this. And now we'll spray it. Don't spray it more. I'm just spraying it 2 times. And now with the same, we'll again make it, oh no. And we'll keep it like this only. Let's see what happens with it tomorrow. Bye. Day 4. Let's open this. Hey, they are very well sprouted. I'll just keep this aside. Let's do with the next step. Take some water and pour it in the dish like this. Yes? See, the tissue paper is being wet. That's what we want. Now we'll keep this inside this. Yes? You have to keep it for more than 7 to 8 days and then see the magic.